Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials Holiday Story. The Perfect Pine, Part 1, by To Go English Tutorials. One early evening in early December, Greta the Grizzly was snoozing in her den. Happily hibernating, she was dreaming about blackberries and honey. Nearby, a lumberjack named Dave was wandering whilst whistling and watching out for wildlife. When suddenly, just ahead of him on the pathway, he saw the perfect pine tree. As Christmas was fast approaching and he did not yet have a Christmas tree, he decided right there and then that he would chop that perfect pine down. Chop! 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 What the growl! Great goodness gruff! Greta was furious. Gracious grapes! Grumbling grizzly! She did not like to be woken up whilst hibernating. Not at all the grumbling and very loud growls and groans frightened Dave so much that he left the pine behind. The New Christmas Custom, The Perfect Pine Part 2 by To Go English Tutorials. It was still early December, and Greta the Grizzly was still awake due to all that chopping racket. I'll go investigate. She walked out of her den and discovered that the beautiful pine behind it was laying sideways. Her friend, Ricky the Raven, was perched near the treetop, so Greta asked him what happened. Grrr, what's up with this tree? Kuka! It's actually been downed. What on earth do you mean? A furry-faced, bare-nosed creature making bird noises. Grrr, uh-huh. Well, he had a shiny, sharp fish and he hit the pine many times. Humph, what on earth for? Cuckoo! Ricky liked to wave his wings around a lot whilst talking, and he was known to exaggerate and elaborate to extremes. However, he told Greta that the bare-nosed creatures like to put shiny diamonds and rocks and colored fires on pine trees each December. Since Greta was awake now, she decided to try out this strange custom. The end. Have a very wonderful Christmas and happy holidays from To Go English Tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep studying English.